With trad orchestras, it's such a new phenomenon. We've got a combination of choir, this magnificent organ, and spoken word with these amazing traditional musicians. And of course, a lot of them come from a world where, you learn tunes by ear and you don't necessarily read music. So there's this huge journey that everybody goes on. And the result of it then is the kind of thing we hear tonight. We're at the early days of trad orchestra, but it's really a new genre in a way.
Endgame. We were in the vortex too long. We emerged mid-sentence, singing half songs. Time was random and ridiculous. Our days were longer, our weeks were shorter by a care mile. A month of Sundays came to pass. Seconds were suspended in melancholy that mimicked our moves. Our laughter was missing. We became number crunchers and news junkies. Monotony was nearer than the door.
Endgame is based on 3 pieces of poetry. The first is Endgame itself, which was written by Rita Ann Higgins. In it, she talks about the awful thing that happens, your sense of time during the pandemic, and she goes through the psychological dark aspects of it. The second piece then was Take Care by Michael D. Higgins, and it talks about, basically sort of having a sense of belief in yourself and holding steady despite what the wind does to you. And then the final piece of poetry that inspired this work and inspired the whole blast of joy at the end is The Singer's House by Seamus Heaney. And sure, of course, we can't be in Derry and not celebrating Seamus Heaney. People can gather to come to a concert, enjoy a night's music. People in such numbers as this can go up on the stage, make music together, whereas they were on videos and on Zoom beforehand, real people on the stage. And, and of course then whenever that happens, all of the elements come together and you get this explosive sense of joy.